Hi and welcome to our next project. In this project we're going to be looking at Mexican or South American design on pots and vases, and we're going to be looking at cacti and the different kinds of cacti that grow. So what the tools you're going to need today are going to be some cacti plants, some printouts of some cacti, designs, your paper, and then you're going to need watercolors, selection of brushes, a pencil, a sharpie, eraser, and obviously some water. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we NCP our paper. NCP our paper. Now I'm going to turn it over, and now I'm going to start designing my pot and my cacti. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go about 1/3 of the way up my paper, and I'm going to draw a line. Now that's going to be with the top of my pot. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw an oval, and I need to make the lip or the top of the pot nice and wide. So I am going to draw just kind of an oval shape. Now I'm going to be erasing this, so it doesn't really matter. Now my pots can vary, so this one I'm going to have as a straight pot, and I'm going to come all the way off the paper, all the way off the paper. Now you can see this line is a bit wobbly and this one's straight, so I'm going to turn my work upside down, and now I can straighten it up with my pencil. And I can look at the top and say, oh yeah, I kind of like that, or I don't. There we go, there's my pot. Now, using a selection of patterns, I'm going to decorate my pot with my pencil. So let's see, I'm going to put a line here, and then maybe I'll divide it in the middle. Then maybe I'll put another band here, and maybe, let's see, a band down here and a band down here. In these spaces I'm going to draw my designs, and I have a selection of designs that I can do. So now I've put my designs in, I need to start putting my cacti in. And cacti come in lots of different shapes and sizes, and some have flowers and some don't, and it's up to you to decide. So if you notice that we have the sense of perspective here where one is behind the other, and we're going to do that first. And the idea is you draw the ones at the back first and you layer on top. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So now I've put my cacti in, and it's a bit confusing. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Sharpie, and I'm going to go over my pencil mark to make it clear where I'm going to be coloring and painting. And then any pencil mark that's left over, I'm going to erase.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente.